Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to paint this cute wall together using a new watercolor technique that I'll show you step by step. Now I'm going to teach you how to draw this wall so that afterward you can recreate it using any material you have. It's really simple. You just need a circle, a square, and a few crays. As you see, we put circle for the head, a square for the body, and crays for the tail. Now you can add the detail however you like. I put a smile and a little eyes and few little balloon. I like to add a little lake at the bottom, but it's up to you, you can add or not. Here's what I'm using: watercolor paints, a sketchbook, a few brush, water, rapid pen for adding detail, and acrylic marker. I start with a sketching wall with color pencil. I sketch lightly so later I can erase any extra line. I'm erase the line so they aren't visible under my colors. Don't forget grab a tissue, it's so necessary. I mixed all the blue tones from my palette together and start paint the wall using wet on dry technique. It's mean your brush and your color is wet and have a lot of water, but your paper is dry. It's completely dry. Dry like a desert. Keep in mind that this method isn't ideal for covering a large area, since as you can see, the brush strokes remained visible and the color boundaries doesn't blend. That said, if you want to create a texture effect, for example, to mimic an old wall or a stone surface, it's works perfectly. However, the best method to start watercolor painting is the wet on wet technique, which I demonstrated in several previous videos with simple painting. I don't sure pronounce it right, but I hope you understand. You should practice wet on wet technique a lot, and when you're comfortable with it, you can use all your artwork, and it's so useful. Trust me. For the lower part of the painting, the little ocean, I use wet on wet technique. Next, I mix blue and brown to achieve a gray tone for the rocks. first with a light wash and then deepening the tone gradually. Remember, start with light and build up to darker ones, being by sketching the overall forms and then add details. I changed my water cup because clean water is essential. For the balloons, I first wet the paper with the clean water and then add the paint. Here I made a mistake and I have too much color on my brush, so I have to remove the color. I wash my brush, and as you see, I tried to remove extra paint on my balloon like this using tissue, and then I fade the boundaries. I do same process for all the balloons, wet the surface and add colors. Here I add orange to my yellow balloons. It makes it more natural and more beautiful. I repeat this process for other balloons. I add another color and with clean brush I try to fade boundaries and then make shadow and make it more natural. When my first layer is completely dry, I recharge the color and add more color. Now using thin brush and dark color, anything but black, since black can do the other use when mixed. I mix blue and brown to achieve this dark color. Then paint the balloon threads. Here I said how it look if I add background with diluted blue and a little bit red. So I try it. You can do this or not, it's up to you, but I like to add some color at background. Of course, feel free to experiment with any color you like, such as purple, yellow or orange. If your paper isn't as suitable as mine for heavy water use, you might notice some warping. To fix that, you can place a heavy object on top after painting, or better yet, use proper watercolor paper. I tidy up my work with Rapid tool, which helps create a cleaner and more dynamic look. Don't worry too much about drawing perfectly a smooth continuous line. Try creating broken, lively strokes and enjoy the process. I even add some texture hatching on the wall skin for extra interest. Finally, and my favorite step, I add highlight with white and pink. Since this is your painting and you don't have to follow any strict rules, just keep in mind the essential tip and enjoy your painting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. And if you have any question about this painting, you can ask me in the comments. And don't forget to check out other videos. We have a lot of simple painting for you. See you in next video.